Hi, my name's Jay, and welcome to Slam Academy.
This is Slam Academy. We're a diverse family of working musicians with one important common bond, a deep love for the creative process of making music.
I hate every preset I've ever listened to. I just want to make all my own sounds. You have to have your own sound, otherwise you're not going to stick out.
United by our passion for creating, the Slam family exists to educate and support musicians of any age, any level, and in any genre.
I had been more to creating electronic music. Once I stepped into sound design, I was like, this is electronic music. This is like what I envisioned it being like.
Our community lives on and offline with live stream group classes, as well as in-person programs in Minneapolis. Our instructors meet you where you are and work to accelerate your musical journey to where you want to be.
It was frustrating in college being with all the music majors. You had all these classical musicians and I'm over here making beats, and I come here and I feel like these last 9 months I've learned more, way more for what I need to be doing.
With detailed courses in DJing, music production, recording, sound design, and more, Slam Academy is ready to show you what it takes to be an industry professional.
I was pleasantly surprised with how much I really could take away after only 12 sessions. I finished up and I am walking out with exactly the tools that I need to finish projects.
We want you to become a part of the Slam Academy family.
Hey everyone, welcome to Music Business class. In this class, we're going to be focusing on the entrepreneurship around being a musician. This is something that's been very important to me as a professional musician my whole life. If you are a musician or any artist really, and have found that you're often trying to figure out how to monetize what you're doing, this is the right place for you. What we're going to be focusing on in this class is the entrepreneurship piece of it, how to start a company. And don't get freaked out when I say starting a company. What we're really talking about here is how to take what you're doing and wrap it into a company, why you would want to do that. There are some cases when you might not want to do that, and we'll talk about those a little bit too. But for the majority of people, what you might want to do is take what you're doing, wrap it in a company, because it gives you certain legal protections, certain tax protections, and helps you grow it into a bigger and more lucrative income. So in this class, we're going to be talking about all that. We're going to talk, and we're not going to sugarcoat it here. We're not going to be I'm not dumbing it down for you because this is for musicians. We're going to be talking about different business entities, the different objectives, which is something that's really important to me and to most musicians. The paperwork that you're going to need, we're going to walk through filing our forms for creating the business with the government. We'll get a tax ID number. We'll do all of that in this class step by step, in addition to explaining why you want to do all of these things and what it means for you. So I hope you decide to take the class, watch the videos. I had a good time making them. So let's dive in.